Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-made Designs, and I'm so glad you could join me today. Today is day 15 of 365 days of sewing makes by yours truly. And today I'm really excited because we don't have one, we have two special guests. And what I'm going to show you is McCalls 6932. It is a button-up shirt. It's you can either make it for women or men. It has you can make it no sleeves, short sleeves, long sleeves with cuffs. Has a one-piece collar. Show you the line drawings at the back. It has a yoke and a pleat at the back, but I will tell you what I did about that. So if we could have our special guests come out now. Woo! Excellent twirl.
Say hello to Miss Fetchy LaRue.
This is Fetchy.
The inspiration behind this shirt. And I know you can't see it now because Fetchy's so cute, but I really love this shirt because it's covered in my dog.
Covered in your dog in a good way.
Yeah, like I'm not wearing your dog, I hope.
So this is William, my grandson. Want to give us a twirl, William?
Ah.
A gentle twirl.
Don't want to pull down.
And you can see that this material is coming close so the camera can see it. It's little Boston Terriers.
Bunch of Fetchy LaRues.
Yeah, and Fetchy is very important to you, isn't she?
Yeah, she's been my best friend for the past 11 years.
Yeah.
And so my grandmother, Grammy, making this shirt for me just means so much. It has such like a special sentimental connection with it. And I'm really happy I have it.
I love this kid. So you can see it has the one-piece collar, which are way easier than two-piece collars. It has two pockets. It has a one-way, it's 100% cotton, and it has a one-way pattern on it. So that made, we needed a little extra material to make it with. So hence the black sleeves. So the sleeves are just black cotton. This material I got at Dressew in Vancouver, Canada. It's a fabric store that I went to a couple years ago. So it's been a couple years waiting for this shirt. Sorry about that. This is, you can see the back. I didn't put the yoke or the pleat in. I thought that it would be a bit better silhouette on him, not look so bulky if I didn't do that. So I just used the back pattern piece from New Look 6407, and yep, that you can do that. You can mix and match a little bit. I do that all the time. So I just use the back here. There's no pleat, no yoke. I didn't put the darts in it, and yeah, it seems to fit you perfectly.
Yeah.
So just give us another gentle twirl.
I won't go as extreme as last time. Or will I?
That is so great. I love this kid. So my grateful thread today is grandchildren. They are the icing on the cake of life. And if you have the opportunity to sew them something, that makes it even better. So I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Thanks, Will.
No problem, I guess. Sewing's so fun. I haven't tried it. Take her.